Hello everyone, welcome to our live stream. In today's live, we are going to discuss idioms, their words, actually the idioms, and then their meanings. So this is the live today in which we are going to discuss. And when you want to talk in English like a native, you need to know the idioms and their meanings so that you may use all of them in your daily conversation, in your communication with people around, at office, at home, or anywhere you go. So this was the first idiom I wrote there. Under the weather, it means to be ill or feeling low or feeling very ill or getting a cold. So I have written down the meaning here. Now I think I should make a sentence out of this so that we may understand how to use it in our daily routine. Under the weather. The sentence is S here stands for sentence. The sentence of under the weather is my friend is feeling under the weather. Under the weather. This is the sentence which I wrote there under the weather. So the word I wrote here is under the weather, and then the meaning says feeling ill, and then the sentence is my friend is feeling under the weather. This is the sentence. Now let's move on to the next idiom. Set the record straight. Set the record straight. This is the idiom, and the meaning is to clarify. Meaning is to clarify. Now this is time for the sentence. S stands for sentence. I have set the record for the good of all. For the good of all. Here we have words, then we have their meanings. The first word or the first idiom that I wrote here is under the weather, which means feeling ill or feeling very low. The sentence we have of under the weather is my friend is feeling under the weather. Next idiom is set the record straight. This means to clarify something or clear out the meaning of something. The sentence that I have written here is S, let me tell you again, stands for here sentence. The sentence I wrote there, I have set the record for the good of all or for the good of all of us. Let's move on to the next. Snowed under. Under. Snowed under. It means to be busy. To be busy. Now the sentence is, he pretended to be snowed under. He pretended to be snowed under. You all are requested to double tap the screen, and this is the love that you show to us through your uh, liking and sharing. I do hope that you like this live stream and you are getting the point that I'm going to crack out. I have written there many idioms from one to the end. And these idioms are written here just to clarify the meaning of different or difficult idioms in English so that you may easily use all of them in your daily conversation or in your conversation with your boss or in the conversation with your colleagues or with anybody else with whom you are in contact with. So the purpose of all these is to clarify the things. I do hope you like this live stream. Please share your opinion, your views in the comment section, and double tap the screen. Okay, let me change the direction of it. Okay, guys, the next idiom is to break someone's bubble. Now, what does it mean? To break someone's bubble. This is the idiom. The idiom is to break someone's bubble. Here, here. Hi, Sarah. I hope you are doing fine. Do you want to share something or you want to ask something? Okay. I have written down there the idiom to break someone's bubble. Now, what does it mean to break someone's bubble? To break someone's bubble means to do something or say something to say or do something that proves other wrong. Okay. Okay. To break someone's bubble, it means to say something or do something that proves the other party wrong. So when you want to prove other party wrong and you say that you are going to break his bubble, that is a very accurate sentence. Now let's make a sentence out of this idiom. The idiom says to break someone's bubble. Now the sentence is, S stands for sentence. I have broken his bubble. The sentence says, I have broken his bubble. Now this means that the speaker wants to tell that he has proved the other party wrong. He has proved the other person wrong. Okay, idioms, their meanings, actually, sorry, their words First, we will have words and then their meanings. Meanings are more important because if we do not know the meaning of a letter or the meaning of some word, it is impossible for us to use them. So the meaning are important. One very famous idiom is kill two birds with a stone. Kill two birds with a stone. Now, what does it mean? To kill two birds with a stone means to achieve two results by doing one thing. Get two results with one effort. When you get two results by doing one effort, this is called to kill two birds with a stone. So now I'm going to write down the sentence. S stands for a sentence. So the sentence is he has killed two birds with a stone and got the property and got the property. The sentence says he has killed two birds with a stone and got the property. So this is the sentence I have written down there. I hope you do like it. Uh, Sarah Mariam is asking, आप इंडिया में रहती हैं? Sarah, are you from India? चल, ऑस्टिन में इंडियन नहीं ज्यादा है। The sentence says, uh, you should walk on eggshells and pardon him. The sentence, before the sentence, we have the idiom. Idiom is walk on eggshells. Walk on eggshells means to be careful with your actions and words. It means when you are to discuss something or you are to communicate with somebody, you have to be very careful about the selection of words and about your language. Otherwise, the next party may, or that next party might consider you a bit rude or a bit rough. So it is very essential for every one of us to be careful while we conversate. So the idiom is walk on eggshells, which means to be very careful or with your actions and words. The sentence I have made here is you should walk on eggshells and pardon him. You should walk on eggshells and pardon him. Next is bite the bullet. Bite